Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I would like to discuss with you your relationship with money. It is really important that you have a healthy relationship with money because it's like any relationship. If you have a friend who comes to visit and you love that friend, you're excited to open the door, you're excited to welcome them in, and you're happy for that person to stay there as long as possible. But when you have somebody that you don't like come to your house, you reluctantly open the door, and the whole time they're there, you can't wait for that person to leave. Money is the same thing. If you have a healthy relationship with money, then you're going to be happy to have that money in your life. You're going to be happy to have that money hanging around you and being around you in abundance. So it's really important that you're able to be comfortable with money. And the three key things that I've found over the years that will stop you from having a healthy relationship with money are firstly, worry about money. When you worry about something, then you believe that there is an insufficiency of that thing. So there are areas in your life where you have abundance. You may have wonderful relationships, you may have great health, you may have plenty of money. And in those areas that you have an abundance of, you don't worry about those things. You don't even think about them. You just know it's there. And so when you have that sense of knowing, your faith is in the Creator. The Creator is the source of your abundance. But when you worry about something, then you believe that the Creator is not actually your source of abundance in that area. And that's where you take it upon yourself and you think, I have to do everything myself to or bring that money in, or bring that health in, or to bring that loving relationship in. And that's when things become a struggle. When you allow yourself to know that the source or the Creator is the source of your abundance, then all of a sudden you're going to tap into the abundance that is already there. And you will find that you will not worry about it at all, because you will just know that it is there, and you will just know that there is an abundance of it. So worry is one of the key things that stops you from having the abundance that you desire in your life. The second thing that I've found that really limits people when it comes to money is guilt. And again, this ties into that whole idea of the scarcity mentality, because a lot of people have guilt because they think if they have the money that they desire or the abundance that they desire, then somebody else is missing out. And that comes into that lack consciousness. There's a limited supply. Throughout our lives, we've all been conditioned to believe that, you have to let that other person go first, or there's somebody else that needs it more than you do. And so we're constantly being filled with this concept of guilt for having the things that we desire, or having abundance of what we desire. So as long as you're feeling guilty about having what it is that you desire, or the amount of money that you desire, then you're going to be pushing that money away. And the third thing that really stops people, and this is a really powerful one, because resentment is one of the key things that will stop you from having abundance in your life. Now, when you resent something, it is a program that is played 24 hours a day in your mind, because the subconscious uses resentment to keep you safe. So if you are resenting money, then what's happening is that program is constantly in the back of your mind, and it is constantly making sure that you're keeping money away from you. So if we have an example, so there is a person who grows up in a family and their father is physically abusive. So what happens is, over the years, that resentment builds up, and they get to the point where they can leave the house. So all of a sudden now the resentment is really strong, and they've left the house. So now that person is no longer in the same area with their father, and so they're not actually getting physically hurt. And so from a subconscious perspective, that resentment is the best thing that's ever happened to that person. And so now that resentment has to be playing all the time in their mind to keep them safe from their father. So money is the same thing. If you have a reason to resent money, then what's going to happen is you're going to stop money coming to you in your life. And so it's really important that you're letting go of resentment towards money, because as long as you are resenting money, then what's going to happen is you're going to push it away. And, there are many reasons to resent money. If you look at, like a lot of the things that, there are bad people that have done things with money. And, a lot of the time we can take that in and think, oh, money is the cause of that negative thing that took place. But the truth is money is just an energy. Money is neither good or bad. If money is in bad hands, then bad things are going to be done with it. If money is in good hands, then good things are going to be done with it. Money is just an energy, and whoever's hands it's in makes it good or bad. So money itself is not good or bad. And that's where a lot of people's resentment comes from, especially with a lot of religious teachings around, money being a negative thing. But the truth is money is just an energy. And you being a good person, if you have a lot of money in your life, then you can actually do a lot of good things for a lot of other people. And that's why it's really important that you're releasing your resentment towards money and you're allowing yourself to be comfortable with money. The more comfortable the more comfortable you are with money, the more money you're going to allow into your life, the more you're going to be comfortable with, and the more you'll see your bank accounts grow, and then the more positive things that you can do. And that's one of the things that I really believe is if we can have enough good people making a lot of money, then collectively we can make a huge difference on this planet. And that's what we're all here for. Our bigger purpose is to make a positive difference on this planet. And if we create financial abundance for ourselves and help people around us create financial abundance for themselves, then we can transform this planet. So it's really important that you allow yourself to have a healthy relationship with money. So in the next video, I'll actually give you some downloads on creating that healthy relationship with money. So if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends, share it with people that you think can benefit from it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that way you'll be updated with new videos that are coming in. And the other thing that I do is actually teach a wealth consciousness class, and that is a class that actually helps you raise your vibration, helps you raise your awareness in wealth, because wealth is more than just money. Having wealth is having success in all the different areas of your life. So creating that balance. And in today's day and age, it's really difficult for a lot of people to have balance. But when you see the way that I put things together in the wealth consciousness class, you'll begin to understand how really simple it is to have balance in your life. So you can create that balance. Wealth consciousness is a phenomenal class that has helped so many people around the world, and it's a really powerful class. So check it out. Check out our website. Go to thetahealing.net.au, and under courses you'll see the wealth consciousness class. You get more information about it there. I teach it all over the world in different time zones, so there's plenty of opportunity there. But I look forward to spending more time with you all and sharing more videos with you all. So like our YouTube channel, subscribe to it and share it with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Thank you.